In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free blog with systemi.io. First, log into your systemi.io account and head to your main dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a menu. Move your mouse over the option labeled Sites. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. From that list, click on Blogs. This will take you to the blog section inside your account. On the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button to create a new blog. Go ahead and click Create. A pop-up window will open where you'll set up the basics of your blog. Start by entering a name for your blog. This can be anything you like and is mainly for your own organization inside systemi.io. Next, you'll see a field for the domain name. In most cases, this will already be set to your systemi.io domain, especially if you haven't connected a custom domain yet. Then, add a URL path, which is the part that comes after the domain, such as #blog or something similar. After that, scroll through the available templates, pick the one that best matches the look you want, and then click Save at the bottom of the pop-up. Give the page a moment to load. Once everything is ready, your new blog will appear in the list. Click on the blog name to open it. Depending on the template you selected, your blog may already come with some demo blog posts, pages, and categories. This is helpful because it gives you a structure to work from. To see what's included, just use the tabs along the top labeled Posts, Pages, and Categories, and click through them to explore. If you want to manage a specific piece of content, such as a blog post or a page, look to the right side of that item in the list. You'll see 3 horizontal dots. Click those dots to open a menu of options. From here, you can view, edit, duplicate, schedule, open settings, deactivate, or delete the item. To create a brand new blog post, click the Create button on the top right of the posts list. A pop-up will appear where you can enter the blog title, a short description, the URL path, upload an image, and choose which category this post should belong to. When you're done filling out those details, click Save at the bottom. You'll find very similar options when you're working with pages and categories as well. To edit a blog post, simply click on its title in the list. This opens the blog post editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a live preview of your post on the right side of the screen. On the left side, there's a sidebar containing all the elements and blocks you can add, such as text, images, buttons, and more. When you select any element or block in the preview, its editing and styling options will automatically appear in that left sidebar. Here you can adjust things like the text content, colors, spacing, and layout to match your style. As you make changes, remember to save your work regularly. Look at the top right corner of the editor and click the Save button whenever you're happy with your edits. Once saved, your changes will be applied to your live blog.